In this session, we will discuss about the Bully algorithm, which comes under the category of election algorithms. So what is this election algorithm? In general, election algorithms attempt to locate the process with the highest process number and designate it as a coordinator. We assume that every process knows the process number of every other process. What the processes do not know is which ones are currently up and which ones are currently down. So basically, the goal of an election algorithm is to ensure that when an election starts, it concludes with all processes agreeing on who the new coordinator will be. We will see how this Bully algorithm works. So now when a process notices that the coordinator is no longer responding to the requests, it initiates an election. So we assume that there is a process P which holds an election as follows. So what this process P will do is, it will send an election message to all the processes with higher number, higher than itself. If no other process responds, then P itself will declare as the new coordinator. So in this case, P wins the election. If the other processes, which is higher than the process P, replies, then the job will be taken by that new process. And this is how a new coordinator would be selected. Now, certain things you require to understand that at any moment a process can get an election message from one of its lower numbered colleagues. When such a message arrives, the receiver sends an OK message back to the sender to indicate that he is alive and will take over. The receiver then holds an election unless it is already holding one. So eventually all the processes give up, but one of them does not. And that one is the new coordinator. After becoming the coordinator, it will announce its victory by sending all the processes a message telling them to start immediately and that it is the new coordinator. If a process that was previously down comes back, then that particular process will hold an election. If it happens to the highest number process currently running, it will win the election and take over the coordinator's job. So basically in this Bully algorithm, the biggest guy in the town always wins the election. Hence the name Bully algorithm. So we will try to understand how this Bully algorithm works with the help of an example. Now here we have a group of 8 processes which are numbered from 0 to 7. So we will see how the Bully algorithm works in this case. So let's assume that process number 7 was the coordinator. But now process number 7 has just crashed. Process 4 is the first one to observe that the coordinator has crashed. So what does process 4 do is, it will send an election message to all the processes higher than it. So it sends an election message to process 5, process 6 and process 7. So process 7 has already crashed, so there won't be any response from process 7. But process 5 and process 6 will respond back to process 4 with an OK message. Now upon getting an OK message from 5 and 6, it knows that its job is over. Process 4 knows that its job is over. It knows that either 5 or 6 will become the coordinator. So it just sits back and waits to see who will become the new coordinator. Now it is the job of process 5 and process 6 to hold an election. So now each one of the process number 5 and process number 6 will send a message to the processes higher than itself. So in this case, process 5 will send an election message to process 6 because 6 is higher than 5. And 5 will also send an election message to 7. Whereas with respect to 6 will send an election message only to 7. At this point, 6 knows that process number 7 is dead. So obviously, now in this case, 6 becomes the winner. So once it has won the election and it is ready to take up the job of coordinator, 6 will announce that it is the new coordinator and send a message to all the other members in this group saying that it is a coordinator. So it sends a message to 5, 1, 2, 4, 0 and 3. So now 6 becomes the new coordinator. So now when process number 4 gets this message, it can now continue with the operation it was trying to do when it discovered that process number 7 was dead. But now it will make use of 6 as the coordinator rather than 7. Now, if process number 7 had ever restarted, then process number 7 will just send a message to all the other processes saying that it is the coordinator, and it will bully them into submission. This is how the bully algorithm works.